Hello students, today we are going to solve the first numerical of scale. Question is written as area of the plan in a drawing plotted to a scale of 1 centimeter equals to 50 meter. That was the original scale. Is measured as 250 centimeter square by planimeter. Now with the help of planimeter, we can measure the area of the plan after shrinkage. Now it was further observed that the drawing is under shrinkage as the line originally 10 cm drawn on the paper measured only 9.2 cm. It means that before shrinkage the length of the line was 10 cm and after shrinkage it is only 9.2 cm. Now find the shrunk scale original area on the drawing paper as well as on field before shrinkage. Now we need to calculate here shrunk scale as well as original area on the drawing paper before shrinkage as well as field area before shrinkage. Now for solving this, first of all we will make the two cases, that is before shrinkage and after shrinkage. Okay students, before shrinkage and after shrinkage. Now we will write one by one each given values here, that is first one is scale. Now before shrinkage scale, it is already given in the question, that is 1 centimeter is equals to 50 meter. Now we need to compute the after shrinkage scale, that is shrunk scale. Now the next one is area on paper. Now area on paper before shrinkage we need to calculate it, and after shrinkage it is given in the question as 250 centimeter square. Now the length of the line before shrinkage it was 10 centimeter long and after shrinkage it was only 9.2 centimeter. Now we need to compute the field area also. So field area before shrinkage and after shrinkage remains same. Now for solving this numerical and for determining the value of shrunk scale, first of all we need to calculate the shrinkage factor. Now what is the formula of shrinkage factor? It will be the ratio of shrunk length upon original length. Now the shrunk length is already given in the question. It will be equals to 9.2 centimeter and the original length is 10 centimeter. So the shrinkage factor will be equals to 0.92. Now after finding the shrinkage factor, we will compute the shrunk scale. Now what is the value of shrunk scale? It will be equals to shrinkage factor into original scale. Now we had computed the value of shrinkage factor as 0.92 multiplied by the original scale, which is already given in the question, that is 1 centimeter on paper will represent 50 meter on ground. After solving this, we will get the scale as 1 centimeter upon 54.34 meter, that is the shrunk scale. So we had computed the scale after shrinkage, that is 1 centimeter is equals to 54.34 meter on ground. Now after finding the shrunk scale, we will compute the field area. Okay, we know that shrunk scale or simple scale will be equals to map distance upon ground distance. So if we want to compute the map or plan area divided by field area, we have to use the square of the scale. On putting the value here, we will get shrunk scale value as 1 centimeter square upon 54.34 whole square meter square is equals to, we have the value of plan area, that is 250 centimeter square after shrinkage, so we will compute the field area from this. From this centimeter square will cancel out and we will get the value of field area as 250 into 54.34 square. So it will be equals to 738420.84 meter square. Now that will be the field area before shrinkage and after shrinkage, because field area always remains same. Now we want to compute the area on paper before shrinkage. So before shrinkage scale will be used as scale square is equals to map or plan area before shrinkage divided by ground area or field area before shrinkage. Now we will put the value of original scale here, that is 1 centimeter square upon 50 square meter square. It will be equals to plan area divided by field area, which we had already computed above, that will be equals to 738420.84 meter square. From this meter square will cancel out and we will get the plan area before shrinkage. It will be equals to 295.368 centimeter square. So we had computed the scale after shrinkage, that is shrunk scale. We had computed the field area as well as area on the paper before shrinkage. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.